Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a all face eye shadow everything in one palette. It's the Smashbox Cali contour palette. I love this palette. I've been doing this for the past few days and my girlfriends are like, your skin looks great and your eyes are really pretty, all that gold and everything. And I told them it's like one palette and they're like, what? And so I decided to do a whole thing in one palette. It's super easy and travel, and the how big it is. This is like my favorite thing, one of my favorite things I bought. But I really wanted to show you what I do with it, and I thought this would be easy and fresh and spring and summery, goldy and glowy. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. And thank you for tuning in and always being supportive and subscribing to my channel, because that's awesome. And I loved what I do. I love doing this. I have been gone a lot because it's just been, I was so sick and my cough is still in my chest, but just thanks for tuning in and sticking with me, which is nice. So I really enjoy it. But just keep on watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so I have done my face. So I did my eyebrows, my foundation, and my concealer. And now I'm just gonna finish my face with all of this. So I have been loving this. I used it on my face and I was like, you know, I'm gonna do a video on this really quickly just to show you guys, I mean, one palette. Again, I did this with my NARS, and this is another kind of fun palette. And a lot of people were asking me, can you use a palette that is not a NARS and not discontinued? Which, I'm sorry, I hate using stuff that gets discontinued because I know you can't find it. And I just did a video with Frida ColourPop lip liner, and I went online and I'm like, how is this not online ColourPop? Because they actually didn't have a lot of colors. I don't know if they're changing their colors up, but I didn't think Frida was, I didn't think it was like a limited thing. So I apologize about that. I did not know that. But I'm trying to not do stuff like that, limited stuff. I don't like to buy stuff like that because I just think it's, I'll buy it for myself, but I won't come on and use it because I don't want you guys to know that you can't get it. So anyways, it's kind of a bummer. Okay, let's get back into this. Just love this a lot. First thing, I'm gonna go in with my Sigma, and sometimes I link these below and sometimes I won't. I know a lot of people know Sigma, but maybe not, but I'll try and link this below. But this is such a great shader brush. This is F05. It's a shader brush as in contouring, and I kind of want to do another contour video just to really like show you guys, if you really love makeup, how to do a deep contour to a light contour. I should do a video like that. But this is just such a great contour brush, and I am going to go in with a dark color. That's a contour color. And I kind of just like pat it on and I kind of brush it out. I like to do my jaw, so I like to do the shading down here. Because I have weight, look at this guy. Yeah, I'm not proud to show this, but because I'm still working out, trying to lose my weight, it's, I like to shade it. I don't like, see, look at the difference here, I'll show you. I need to do a video on this. See how that's shaded and how that's not. It's not, it's really light. Look at them, I gotta touch that up when I'm done. But shading it just brings back your jawline if you've gained weight. And I need to lose this little turkey thing bad. I need to get in, and I've just been, this cold has been kicking me a lot, and it's just been really hard with this cold. I just don't have the lungs for it. I'm gonna go in here and just do, sorry, I have another video doing on my hair. So this is second day hair, and I want to do a video on it. So I'm doing a lot of videos, and then I'm gonna do my hair video. I'm just like, I don't have a ton of time to do a ton of videos, like one a day. I don't have that time and luxury. So I just contour a little bit down here, just a tiny bit with this color. And right there. You already see how I sculpted it out. And then I just kind of, it's just right there. Don't go in far. I do not go that far in at all. Don't go that far. And I just really kind of push it out. And then sometimes I will do my side of my nose just a little bit. It just brings the nose in a little bit. And you can already tell, like that's weird. This is a really pretty color. I do like this color for a lot of reasons, and I'll show you other reasons why I like it. Next, I'm just gonna go with the fluffy brush just to tan my face up. And I'm gonna go with the bronzer. This is a really pretty bronzer color. And I just go all along my hairline. And I still go down my neck with it because my foundation is a little lighter today than the rest of my face, and so my body. So I like to warm it up a little bit, and I do go down my nose a little bit because I'm trying to, I don't want to look too like bronzed around my face, but I still want to look like the sun got my face. I don't mind that. Just a healthy glow. I have another video coming up with about being glowy and glow and all that kind of stuff. I do my cheeks, and I'm going to use my Luxie brush. I'm going to go into the only cheek brush, the color they have. Do they have numbers? Oh, they have names. No, they don't have names, sorry. And I like to go like this and really just get it on my cheeks. And I kind of brush it out a little bit, just to blend it. Look how pretty that color is. Oh, this is a really pretty cheek color. And then I go back in that fluffy brush and just kind of... Okay, now I'm gonna highlight, and I'm gonna go in with this guy. The gold is really pretty. I'm just, I like to use this color first. Sometimes I used to blend them. When I did this the other day, I kind of blended it. And I would do, on my shirt, not today, but if I did a lower shirt, I would do my chest a little bit. Let me see, look how, it's just natural glow. Then I'm going to go in with that darker one and just kind of go over it, just to kind of, not much. I'm barely patting in that. So next, I am going to do my eyes. And I'm going to go in with just a little fluffy brush. Make sure that's clean. And I am going to go in with this guy. And this is the bronzer color. I'm going to dip it in. This is a big mirror, which is phenomenal. I love it. And I'm just going to go in and bronze up my eyelid. Look how pretty this color is. I've done this a lot. This color is so pretty. I've done this a lot with bronzers. I think bronzers are, sometimes the tone of them is way better than going into a palette, because sometimes a palette's too orange for my skin, and this is not like an orange color. Okay, so now you can see how much I've put on, and I've just kind of really worked it, and it's such a great color. I just love it. Next, just go with any shader brush you have and go into the light highlight. So I'm going to go in with that light highlight. I just had it all over my eye. Such a great color. And if you want a little gold in it, by all means, pat some of the darker one. And maybe I'll just show you guys. And I'll just combine them a little bit. Let's see. Next, I'm going to go in with my little MAC brush. I love these. These are the best brushers. 217. Yep, 217. I'm going to go in my blush color. This is a really pretty color. I'm going to get on that brush good. I'm going to go into the corner and warm it up. And put it into the crease a little bit. If you want to deepen it, you can use the brown with this. I don't think you really need to deepen this. This is a nice day glowy kind of look. It's not supposed to be like a really harsh look, dark look. I'm going to do under my eyebrows. I usually do not put highlight under my eyebrows, so I'm going to go in with this little guy. This is matte. It's supposed to be for contouring, like under here. And I'm just going to put it up here. Just really mat it out a little bit. Not big on highlight under my eyebrows. So for eyeliner, you can either use, I mean, that brown color is dark, but it's not too dark. It's not, you can try and use this, but I'm just gonna use a brown liner, or you don't need any liner at all. That's the great thing about this. I am gonna use a little bit of a liner. Where is my liner? And I'm gonna use my Pixies because I love my Pixie liners a lot. I need to sharpen this one. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, since I haven't sharpened, I have to take my Luxie thing and I put it on here and I sit there and I go like this. Because I'm almost out, I need to go sharpen it, and I haven't sharpened it. And sometimes it's nice to do that when I don't want a lot, I just want a little bit, and I don't want like a straight line. It's nice to just keep this guy and work it in there. I just really want it at the base of my lashes. Just at the base. I don't want it anywhere on my lid. I do this eye so much better than I do this eye. Mostly on camera. I mean, usually I'm like straight into my mirror right here. I'm not like in the camera, so it's kind of hard. If you want to take off a little extra, you take your brush, wipe it onto a piece of, wipe it off, and then go back in if you want to take some excess off or blend it. Okay, so to finish up this look, I am going to, I'm going to go back into the palette. I'm going to go back into my bronzer color. I'm going to take just a nice pointed fluffy color brush, and I'm going to go underneath just to warm it up. You can already tell how that warms it up. See how like I have nothing. I mean, you don't have to do anything, but I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit. This is another really pretty summer look. I'm actually gonna go in the gold bronzer with the same brush. And I'm just gonna go underneath with it. Oh, look how pretty that is. That is such a pretty look. I'm just gonna go underneath. I mean, these colors are to die for. Like, seriously, they go on really smoothly. They blend really well. I can't say enough. I'm gonna do my mascara and I will be right back. Okay, for highlight, I'm gonna go back in with just a pointy brush, go back into that lightest highlight, and I'm just gonna go all the way down. Kind of gonna connect these two. In my eye. Get all the little eye boogers. I call them eye boogers. That is off one palette. My eyes, my contour, everything. You can use the contour down here, but I just want more of a bronzy, warm glow. I don't want to do like so contoured. I should do like a funny video contoured, like hard contour to light contour. I should do that and try that, because it's like Instagram to like 20-year-old contouring or 40-year-old contouring. But I love this, you guys. It's just great. And if you haven't picked it up, I don't know if it's limited. I would check. I don't think so, because I think this is the only one they've had. It'd be crazy if they did this unlimited thing. I don't know. Let's check that up. Okay, so I got it up. It is $40, $39. And it doesn't say it's limited at all on Sephora. It does not say limited at all. Good. I'm glad. So that is my finished look, all done. Looks pretty good. I love it. A nice goldy, like summer, spring kind of look too. And if you had to travel, take this. Like if you had to travel for a few days, I would just take this. I mean, I travel, I would probably take this anyways. I love my NARS. The price difference is huge, but I do love my NARS. I'm a big fan of NARS, but this for the summer and spring is gorgeous. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to share this video, go ahead and share it with people. I just love this. It's like my favorite look right now. I've worn it like so many days in a row. So thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.